Sometimes we know what we should do, but we don't always know how to do it. Maybe you already know about the components of fitness and levels of intensity, but you're not quite sure how to make a workout. That's the focus of this video. The number one key to making a workout is structure. Going into a workout without a plan is a really good way to lose focus or just quit early. I've done it myself time and time again. Here are 3 things to consider before you plan your own workout. 1, what's your focus? Are you focusing on muscular strength, muscular endurance, cardiovascular endurance, lower body, core, upper body, or a little bit of everything? 2, how much time do you have? Do you have 10 to 20 minutes, 30 to an hour, or an hour plus? And the 3rd thing to consider is intensity. Are you just trying to do something light, like an active rest, something moderate, or are you trying to go heavy to push your limits? All of these considerations will depend on how you're feeling and your future plans. If you just worked out really hard yesterday, you probably don't want to go heavy again. There's countless reasons for why you may choose the combination that you do. But if you're a beginner or new to working out, just picking something and doing it is the most important part. Once you have an idea of your focus, time, and intensity, it's time to structure. The typical basic workout structure revolves around sets and repetition. Repetitions, or reps, is the number of times you perform an exercise. A set is the number of cycles of reps you do. So if you did 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 10 would be the repetitions, and you do them for 3 cycles or sets total. How many sets and reps you do for your exercises, again, will depend on your focus, time, and intensity. But the general rule is high reps with low weight will work muscular endurance, where low reps with high weight will work muscular strength. Check out health-related components of fitness for more about that. A good general place to start is choosing 3 to 6 exercises, 8 to 15 reps for each exercise, with a total of 3 to 4 sets. There are so many ways to structure efficient workouts, but let's look at a really basic bodyweight workout. I chose 3 exercises to do for 10 repetitions each and 3 sets total. For this quick 3x10 workout, I did squats, push-ups, and sit-ups. I performed 10 of each exercise, then took a short rest in between sets. That means I will be doing each exercise 30 times in total. If you want to include cardiovascular endurance, you might try an interval training type workout. Interval workouts uses a set time instead of a specific number of reps. You typically work at a high intensity for 20 to 60 seconds, take a short rest, and then move on to the next exercise. A basic interval workout might have anywhere from 4 to 8 exercises and a total of 3 to 6 sets. Here is a basic interval workout. I chose 6 exercises: squats, reverse lunges, calf raises, push-ups, mountain climbers, and planks. I will do each exercise for 30 seconds, take a 10-second rest in between, and then go to the next exercise. Once I complete all 6 exercises, I will take one 60-second rest. I would then repeat this cycle for a total of 4 sets. Since they typically have a high intensity and less rest, interval workouts are great if you're low on time. Always make sure that you're warming up and cooling down before and after any of your workouts. A simple warm-up can just be 5 to 10 minutes of jogging in place, jumping jacks, and some dynamic stretching. My personal preferred cool down is just walking for 5 minutes or more. Once you know the basics of how to make a workout, you can change up your focus, the time, and intensity. It's important to get a variety so that you can work multiple components of fitness at different intensities and levels of exertion. One really important tip I would recommend is write your workout down. That way you can cross it out as you get through it, and then it feels much better to get all the way through. I know this can all feel a little overwhelming if you're just beginning, but the most important thing is to get started and be as consistent as possible. If you have any questions or would like some more in-depth specifics, comment or ask a question. If you're just starting, keep it as simple and straight up as possible. Now go make a workout.